Hello everyone. Today in this video we will discuss exercise number 1.3 class 9 Cbse about real numbers. Okay, question number 6. Look at several examples of rational numbers in the form of p by q, q not equal to 0, where p and the q are integers with no common factor other than 1 and having terminating decimal representation. Can you guess what property q must satisfy? Okay, we have almost come across about rational number. Every rational number, while converting into decimal form, decimal expansion, it will be terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating decimal. But in this question, it is based on the terminating. Understand? So we have to find out some examples of rational number in the form of p by q. Then by seeing that example, we have to tell in what property of q denominator it should be terminating. This type of concepts already I told you in the theory. Denominators prime factor should be 2 or 5 or 2 and the 5. Okay, let us see here now some examples. Okay, let us consider. I will take some examples. Okay, maybe it will be rational, but I don't know decimal expansion will be terminating or non-terminating. After finding, let us see will be terminating or not. Okay, for example 1 by 2. Next I am taking 3 by 5. Next 6 by 10, 7 by 20. Let us see this example. Okay, so this 1 by 2 is in the form of p by q. All are rational number, but I want to see whether it will be terminating or not. Okay, when I divide by 1, what will come? 2. 1 cannot divide by 2, so we have to put the point, and 2 5s are 10, remainder 0 now. So after the point, then division is ended here itself because remainder is 0 now. That means our answer is 0.5, so it is terminating. Okay, next one, let us see. 3 divide by 5. 3 cannot divide, so we put the point 0 here. 5 6 are 30, here also remainder 0 now, so we got 0.6. Then 6 divide by 10. 6 divided by 10, 0.0. 10 6 is 60, 0.6. Then 7 by 20, 0.0. 23 is 60, remainder 10. Already we put the point now, one more 0 will come. 25 is 100, so 0 now. Answer will be 0.35. So in every example, we got all are terminating, but while seeing this terminating, so the denominator is denominator, so there is nothing but q here now. So the prime factor of this denominator is 2, that's why it is terminating. Then in the second one, prime factor is 5 alone, this also terminating. But here we don't know what are the prime factors of 10. Prime factors of 10 will come 2 5, 2 and the 5. The prime factor of 10 is 2 and the 5, that's why it is also terminating. Then prime factor of 20, 2 10s are 2 5s are, here will come 2 square and the 5. So in every example, we know that in the first example, denominator prime factor is 2. Second example, denominator prime factor is 5. Okay, both are terminating. If the prime factor is only 2, terminating. If the prime factor is only 5, terminating. If the prime factor, denominator prime factor is both 2 and the 5, also terminating. Okay, from this example what we can learn, the property of Q should be, okay, prime factors of Q should be 2 to the power n or 5 to the power n or both 2 to the power n and 5 to the power n. This condition should be there. Okay.